Welcome to the Safe Place channel. Are you ready for a math quiz? Let's see how many you can get right. 20 math problems are waiting for you. Ready? Go! Kindergarten math quiz. Let's get started. What do you get if you add 0 and 1? Three, two, 1. That's right, it's 1. Let's try another one. Are you ready? 1 plus 1. Three, two, 1. Great! The answer is 2. Take a look at this. 2 plus 2. Three, two, 1. Nice work. It's 4. Can you figure this out? 2 plus 1? Three, two, 1. Awesome. That's 3. Ready for the next one? 1 plus 3. Three, two, 1. Yes, it's 4. Let's keep going. 2 plus 3 equals? Three, two, 1. You got it! That's 5. Here comes another one. 4 plus 3. Three, two, 1. Well done! It's 7. Try this. 1 plus 2. Three, two, 1. Great job! It's 3. Ready for this? What is 1 plus 4? Three, two, 1. Correct. That's 5. What do you think? 3 plus 6? Enjoying the quiz? Like and subscribe for more. 3, 2, 1. Nice. The answer is 9. Let's take a quick breather. Are you doing well so far? Back to math. Let's keep going. 2 plus 4. Three, two, 1. Well done. It's 6. Can you solve this? 3 plus 4? Three, two, 1. That's right. Say it loud. 7. What about this one? 4 plus 4? Three, two, 1. Good thinking. It's 8. Here's another. 4 plus 5 equals? Three, two, 1. Well done. That's 9. Give this a try. 5 plus 5. Three, two, 1. Yes, it's 10. Try this one. 3 plus 3. Three, two, 1. Great job. It's 6. Almost there. 6 plus 4. Three, two, 1. Nice work. It's 10. How about 5 plus 3? Three, two, 1. Correct. That's 8. One more. 9 plus 1. Three, two, 1. You got it. That's 10. And here comes the last one. 7 plus 2. 3, 2, 1. Excellent. It's 9. Amazing job. You are a math star. Want to do another quiz? Say yes. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to watch our other videos. See you next time!